The third example is Adathoda vasica belonging to Acanthaceae family. It is a well-known herb in indigenous system of medicine for its beneficial uses in respiratory diseases. It is widely used in Siddha, Ayurveda, homeopathy and Unani system of medicine to treating cough, cold, chronic bronchitis and asthma. It liquefies the thick and sticky sputum and is easily expelled, thus used as an expectorant. The common name is Malabar nut. In Malayalam, Adalodagam. In Tamil, Adathodai. Its popular Sanskrit name is Vasaga. The drug employed in different forms such as fresh juice, decoctions, infusions and powder. It is one of the powerful drugs used in treating various respiratory disorders. The dried leaves should be smoked to get relief from asthma. The leaf juice with honey relieves cough and cold. The decoctions of the leaves also help to relieve cough and other symptoms of cold. A warm decoction of leaves is useful in scabies and other skin diseases. The juice of leaves should be given in dose of 2 to 4 ml in treating diarrhea and dysentery and is given as an emmenagogue. The powder is used as poultice on rheumatic joints and on fresh wounds. Adathoda is well known throughout India. It is a large, tall, dense, evergreen, perennial shrub with simple opposite entire ovate to lanceolate, shiny leaves with acute tip. The leaves are bitter in taste. Because of its tall, shrubby nature, can utilize this plant for biofencing. Active principles of Malabar nut as alkaloids. The important alkaloids are vasicin, oxyvasicin, vasicinone, betaine, and also vasagin, as well as volatile oil, fat, resin, sugar, mucilage, beta cytosterols, and also vitamin C are present. The volatile oil is golden yellow color which contain limonene. Adathoda is of two types. Large leaved type with 8 to 10 pairs of lateral veins are called Adathoda vasica, and small leaved which have 10 to 14 pairs of lateral veins called Adathoda bidomi. It's called as Chittadalodagam in Malayalam, which contain more active principles than the biggest one. Neem is a large, attractive, deciduous glabrous tree with much spreading branches. The leaves are an imbaripinate, alternate with 7 to 14 leaflets, and each leaflets are oblique with serrate margins and also have very bitter taste. It is a valuable medicinal plant and as a source of organic pesticide. It is native to Indian subcontinent and to dry areas throughout South Asia. Neem is the fresh or dry leaves of Azadirachta indica of Meliaceae family. Common names are neem, margosa tree or Indian lilac. Its Malayalam name is Arivepu. Tamil name is Vembu and its Sanskrit name is Nimba. Azadirachta indica is considered as an important medicinal plant, particularly prescribed for skin diseases like eczema, psoriasis, etc. Leaves have natural insecticidal, pesticidal, antihelminthic, antimicrobial, antifungal, antiviral, antibacterial, antiseptic and also antioxidant properties. Leaves as poultice as applied to boils. Leaf with fresh turmeric paste to treat skin diseases. Leaf juice is given in worms, wounds, jaundice and in skin diseases. Paste of the leaf is used externally in cases of smallpox. For treating smallpox, these leaves are very valuable. The tender leaves along with pepper are used in intestinal worms. The active principles of neem leaves are nimbin, nimbinine, nimbandiol, nimbolide, quercetin, beta cytosterol and azadirachtin. Senna alata or Cassia alata is a medicinal as well as ornamental plant belonging to the subfamily Cisalpinaceae of Leguminosae. It is called as ringworm bush because of its very effective fungicidal properties for treating ringworm and other fungal infections of the skin. It is widely used in traditional medicine for the effective treatment of several skin conditions including ringworm, scabies, psoriasis, herpes, syphilis sore, chronic lichen planus, rashes and itches. Skin problems are treated by applying the leaf juice or rubbing fresh leaves on the skin, and also it can be applied as a tincture, as a poultice, powdered, then mixed with oil as ointment. The leaves have also laxative properties due to the presence of anthraquinone glycosides, so it is internally given as a remedy for constipations and to purify the blood. Common names are ringworm shrub or candle tree or candle bush. Malayalam name Anatagara, Vandukolli or Shimayagatti. Tamil name Shimayagatti, Vandukolli. Shimayagatti is a perennial deciduous shrub or small tree with horizontal branches. The inflorescence looks like yellow candle, so called candle bush. The leaves are alternate, peripinnate with 8 to 20 pairs of leaflets, and the leaflets are large, oblong and shiny. Pharmacological actions are antimicrobial, antifungal, antibacterial, anti-tumor, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, wound healing, antihelminthic and laxative. Chemical constituents present are anthraquinone glycosides such as imodin, chrysophanol, isochrysophanol, rhine. Alkaloids, tyramine. Steroids such as beta-cytosterol. The next medicinal leaf is Senna alexandrina or Cassia senna. We already studied this medicinal plant in anthraquinone glycosides of phytochemistry part and also in taxonomy of Caesalpinaceae family. This plant is very popular purgative drug. Purgative action is due to the presence of anthraquinone glycosides. Senosite A and B is very familiar chemical constituents. So we have to study the seventh medicinal leaf is Centella asiatica of Apiaceae or Umbelliferae family. We studied these medicinal herbs in triterpenoid saponins glycosides as nervine tonic, antioxidant, brain tonic, rejuvenative, anti-inflammatory, antidepressant, sedative, antimicrobial and antiseptic. Common names are hydrocotyle or Indian pennywort, Malayalam name Kudangal or Muthil, Vallare is a Tamil name. The Sanskrit name Mandukaparne is because of its runner type of stems which resembles the frog movement. Centella asiatica is a perennial herbaceous runner used as a culinary vegetable and as a medicinal herb with long stalked green cordate leaves with palmately netted veins. It is found out throughout India growing in moist places. It is widely used as blood purifier to treat skin diseases, gastric ulcer, refrigerant, memory and cognitive enhancer and promoting longevity. How comes under Kayakalpa drug in Siddha system. It is revitalizing nerves and brain cells. Hydrocotyle acquired these capacities because of the presence of active principles triterpenoid saponin glycosides in the form of alpha-amyrin derivatives called asiaticoside, metacasoside, bremoside and centelloside. On hydrolysis, they give asiatic acid, metagassic acid, bramic acid. It also contains flavonoids as camphorol, quercetin, alkaloids, hydrocotone, then also tannins and also phytosterols. It contains bitter principles called valerian. Consuming the leaves with ghee or without it rejuvenate the body as a whole. Pure water with leaves gives cooling effect to the body. The remaining medicinal leaves we can find in third part.